Okay, this is easily seen by the distributive law. So, how can you use this factor? Let's say you have the expression 4x squared 9y squared and 12xy. First of all, four x squared is the square of 2x. Nine y squared is the square of 3y. We notice we have perfect square here, perfect square here. X is squared, x is an even power, so that's a perfect square, and the 4 is a perfect square. So we have 4x squared equals this, 9y squared equals this. So we're going to call this a squared, where a equals 2x. And we're going to call this b squared, where b is 3y. Okay, so a squared gives us our 4x squared, and b squared gives us the 3y. If this thing is of the form a plus b squared, which again is hard to write it out, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, then 2ab got to be this 12xy. Because of course up here you've got a squared and you've got b squared. Now this might not be 2ab, but it might, so it's worth checking. So we want to check to see if it's so. 2ab would be 2 times a, which is 2x, times b, which is 3y, and if we multiply that out, we get 12xy. It's so. In other words, this is of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which is just quantity a plus b squared. In other words, this is a squared, this is 2ab, this is b squared. And this is a plus b quantity squared. again, if you see something, it has a perfect square here and a perfect square here, it's worth checking this out to see if this is 2 times whatever squared to get this, times whatever squared to get this, okay? So, ponder that for a minute.